Looking gorgeous, thank you. Which song is this? It's called. It's Whale. It's. Did I just say Whale? Oh God, what's happened? It's Whale by Mankirat. Hello, hi, hello. Take my name. Hi, Ronaldo fan. What's up? Please, Avneet. Okay, your next TV show. I don't know yet. Let's see. So, I'm here to talk today, and I just thought कि काफ़ी टाइम से मैं live नहीं आई हूँ, so I'll come live and I can probably chat with everybody and just see how everyone is doing. All right, so how are you all? What's happening? How's life? How's it going? We Avneetians love you from all our heart, and you always there for you. You are the best idol. Ignore all the hates because we love you a lot. You are our happiness. Thank you so much. That's such a sweet message, Avneet_Punjab. Thank you. Priyanka Jha, loving your new look. It's nothing actually. It's the same only. Itna kuch difference nahi hai. Right now my hair is like super curly, so isliye probably it's looking like that. Okay, so about this, somebody just said that ignore the hate. I just want to say one thing, that whatever is happening right now, मैं बस इतना बोलूँगी that I really see everything. All right, I am going through it right now, and it is not easy at all, but it's okay. But I just want to say one thing to you all, that's like, just stop assuming things. I would say it's really there are so many things happening, and there are so many reasons that are there, but we don't know about. So I just want to say that, like, please stop assuming things. Like, ऐसा कुछ भी हो, just stop assuming it. And that, yeah, people have been putting a lot of hatred and a lot of negativity out here, and I'm not accepting that. Like, obviously I won't, I'm not going to, but it's really difficult because you see, like, there are so many things happening in a person's life, like, you don't even know about, like, so many things a person is going through, and we don't know about. So it's better that we probably not talk about something that they would feel sad about, or sort of spread negativity around. Like, always try and be positive around people. I'm not even talking about social media here, I'm talking about in real life, how things, how these things change a person's life. So I just want to say that. And I'm saying all these things not because I want you all to have such emotions for me, or maybe something like that. I don't want that. I'm just saying this because it's the truth, and I felt it, and I just wanted to say it, and I can share anything with you guys. And I'm not going to cry or something. I won't cry because of the hate. I don't want to cry because of the hate. I want to cry for the love that you guys have for me, it's that. So I want to cry by seeing the love that you guys have for me, by seeing the support that you guys have for me, not by seeing the hatred or not by seeing the negativity around. I want to see the positivity. I want to see the good vibes, the positive vibes. So it's just that, and I know that how much you all have supported me throughout these years, and how much you all have loved me throughout these years, and that's the main reason why I am here, because of my hard work, my support that I get from you guys, and all of that. So yeah, it's just that, and I really wanted to say, because a lot of things have been going on, and I don't want you all to assume anything. So I really love each one of y'all, and I want you guys to know that. So that's why I'm here today. And yeah, I think that's it. I think I've made my point pretty clear right now. So yeah, and thank you so much. And I promise one thing for sure, that a lot of things are a lot of things are coming in the future, and we'll update you guys about that. Definitely upcoming things. And I'm so excited. बहुत amazing shoots करके आई हूँ मैं, and I want you all to appreciate that hard work, not only mine but everybody who's involved in that project. That's it. Avneet Kaur _ Lifeline. Hey beautiful. Hi. Hi. Hello. Avneet Kaur _ Lifeline. I love you. I love you too. You are so cute, girl. Thank you so much. Push yourself because no one else will do it for you, Abu. That's true. That's very true. Ocean, just be positive. Everything gonna be alright. Thank you so much. Why did you leave Aladdin? Okay. I've given my reason already, and there are a lot more things, and I don't want to talk about it right now. So I want to talk about what's going to happen in the future rather than talking about the past. Let's focus on the future and ask me about my upcoming projects. I would love to discuss that with you guys, and it's so exciting for me because I'm trying out such different things right now that I've always wanted to. Avneet, seriously, your recently shoot picture has glimpses in the story. OMG, so beautiful. You look so beautiful. Can't stop viewing them. Thank you. I'm gonna start uploading them tomorrow. कल से मैं upload करना शुरू करूँगी. And this is actually a very different photo shoot. Like I don't think I've ever done something this crazy and this experimental before. And that's why I'm pretty excited about this. Chocolate song for me. You want? Okay, I can play chocolate song here. Abu, do you know Gen Z? Sorry, no. Roshni, so cute. Hi babe, what's up? Thank you. मुझे आपसे मिलना है. Okay, sure. ये filter मुझे लगता है आपके लिए बना. I know, I'm so obsessed with this one. Your favorite song of Jasman? A lot of songs. Most of the songs from his album, they're all really cool. Hi, say my name Siddharth. Hi Siddharth, कैसे हो आप? Hi. 1 second, let me play chocolate. Ayyo, it's not happening. When are you coming to Jaipur? I've never been to Jaipur before, but I would really love to, explore around. Avneet, you're looking beautiful. Thank you. Hello, hi. Hi. 1 sec, let me just pin down a few questions that I can... Somebody saying, ma'am, can you speak my name? Devansh. Hi Devansh, कैसे हो आप? I love you more. How are you? I'm great. How are you? Hi. Hello. Please say Palak, please. Hi Palak, कैसे हो आप? Hi. Akash. Hi Akash. Abu, your upcoming projects. There are a few, and I'm very happy about them, and I'm very excited and it's something like it's really different, and I've not tried something like that before, and the songs are beautiful. You all are gonna love it, and I can't wait for you all to watch it actually बहुत ही जल्दी, and obviously I'll post about it on my Instagram, so you guys can definitely see. Hey, what's up? Nothing, just coming live here. Abu, did you read my story? Yeah, I did. I saw it. Hello, hi. Hi, Avneet. Hi, Vaishu. Hi. Hello. कुड़ू अच्छा कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट है, ये कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट लेट. हेलो हाय गाइस. चॉकलेट सॉन्ग इज गुड. आई नो राइट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग इट सो मच लव इतनी जल्दी. थैंक यू. Your style is amazing and you always looking beautiful. Thank you so much. करण बोलो ना. हाय करण, कैसे हो आप? हाय, हेलो. सिंग चॉकलेट यार राघव. I don't think I'll be so good at it. अच्छा, मैं मेन वाला लाइन गा देती हूँ. कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट लेट मेरी कपी केक नंबर एक है. कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट है. डोंट सिंग. अच्छा, अभी मैंने गा दिया. अभी सॉरी, कांट टेक इट बैक एनीमोर. Hi Avneet, hi. Your looks, oof. Thank you. Chocolate, yeah, chocolate. मेरे बारे में कुछ बोलो. Hi Ashia, what's up? Say hello Vansh. Hi Vansh, कैसे हो आप? Hi Devi, नमस्कार, नमस्ते. Please say my name Muskan. Hi Muskan. Wow. Very nice voice. Thank you so much. Take my name. One second. Hi Nisha, कैसे हो आप? Hi मिहिर. अवनीत दी, आपका सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you so much. Can you say my name? Aniruddha, hi. Any plans for Goa? अरे यार, अभी तो जाकर आए. अभी क्या plans गोवा में भी I shot for a song, and I'm very excited about that song too. So yeah, it's coming very soon, and you guys are gonna see the first look very soon. The first look is out in a few days. And I can say that much. Come on. Ma'am, you're looking so beautiful. Thank you. Can you say my name? Hi Himanshu. Say my name. Hi Arslan, what's up? Hello, hi everybody. Avneet, please don't forget to make a birthday vlog. Yeah, I think I will. I don't know if I will, but if I feel like it, I'll make it. I know I'm super inactive on YouTube right now, but I just posted a video and I will post a few more contents. I'm thinking about it. I'll make it and I'll post it very soon. When will you come to Jammu? यार मैं कभी आई नहीं हूँ, but आना है मुझे. बहुत सुंदर जगह है. Butterflies in my stomach every time I see you. Above me, say my name too, please. Hi, Omdi. Is that right? Am I saying it right? I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. When does your birthday come? Oh, it's coming actually. It's on the 13th of October. So, yeah. Excited. Abu, please use a hashtag where you can check edits. I think I've made a hashtag already. So yeah, I check edits from there. जयजीत के साथ चैलेंज वीडियो पोस्ट करो यूट्यूब पे. यार करना है ये भी काम. ना आई वॉन्टेड टू डू दिस एंड आई नो दैट यू नो इट्स सो मच फन. कितना मज़ा आने वाला है. मैं उसको बोलूँगी एक दिन. वील मेक इट. Hello, hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm just gonna wear my chashma because why not? I can wear it. I've got a reflection. कितना आ रहा है इसका? जाने दो. Nice chocolate song. Thank you. Abu, buy new phone जिसने keyboard हो so you can reply to people, not only like asked by your one fan. हे भगवान, क्या सोचा है आपने? Dude, I'm sort of obsessed with this song. I'm playing it again and again. What's up? Nothing. What's up with you? I also have same glasses. Really? That's cool. Congratulations for luck di kasam. Thank you. My birthday is also coming soon. My birthday is on 28th September. Alright. Happy birthday in advance. Hey love, how are you? I'm great. How are you? Abu, when are you giving us fan reacting part 2? Ari, I need to make that video also. I know I was traveling a little, so was shooting, but I will make it. I will make it definitely. My birthday is also on 13th October. That's great. Superb. Your next album and with whom? My next album is coming very soon, and it's with Nick, and we both are coming yet again together, and it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be epic. I love that song so much, and you all are also gonna love that song and that video as well. So it's bomb. You guys are gonna love it. Hi, can you please say hi, Ayush? Hi, Ayush. What's up? Hello, hi, hello, hi. Please, love you too. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you too. आप हैदराबाद कब? Hyderabad, I think I've been to Hyderabad. Yeah, and it's a lovely place. I will visit very soon. Every time I visit somewhere, you all are going to know about it. Obviously, I post it up all the time. Your favorite singer? Got a lot of them. मुझे बहुत सारे पसंद हैं. And I'm a big fan of music. I listen to music all the time, like right now. So yeah. Love you too. You are so cute. Thank you so much, Poonam. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. क्या प्लीज प्लीज बोलो ना आगे. आई लव यू अवनीत, लव यू टू. अब योर फेवरेट गेम. यार मैं नहीं ज़्यादा गेम्स खेलती जेन्युइनली, बट आई डोंट नो, फ़ोन पे आई प्ले Subway Surfers a little. I like that game, and I used to play this another puzzle game that I don't remember anymore, but it was fun. कोलकाता कब आओगी? दी लव फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल. यार मुझे आना है, एंड आई थिंक मैं आई भी हूँ, एक शूट के लिए आई थी. एंड यार खाना कितना यम्मी है. आई विल कम डेफिनेटली. हैव यू ट्राइड PUBG? यार नहीं, आई हैव नेवर प्लेड PUBG, बट मतलब अभी क्या ही बोलूँ. नहीं खेला मैंने कभी. Which is the photo editor app that you use? For presets and stuff like that, I make my own. So I use Lightroom. Yeah, that's what I use. Lightroom is the best for color corrections and filters, and you can create your own presets. Not filters, sorry, presets. What is your workout routine? Yeah, workout. So right now it's not really happening genuinely, but yeah, mostly it has a lot of planks, I would say. Has a lot of running and all that. So moreover stamina, I think. Alright, so I think I'm going to take a leave now, and the next time I come live I'll inform also before. And thank you so much everybody for showing up today, and see you soon, very soon. Love you all, take care of yourself.